Hi, my name is Maggie Heck, and I am a business teacher at Stoughton High School. This is a resource that I use in my web design class, and it's super simple, but they create a website throughout the semester and do evaluations with me, do evaluations with their neighbors, but this is a more formal evaluation that allows them to really sit down and look at the quality of the product that they're looking at. So they put their name on it, and then they list their partner. They talk about things that they like from their partner's website, and then also look at things that they might want to use on their own website by looking at somebody else's. They then tear off the bottom half of the paper and fill out things that they could do to improve their website, so they're giving feedback to their partner. And the important part is that they tear it off and actually give it back. And then at the bottom, it gives them a way to make changes and say what they used from their partner.